Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 5 simulation exam. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MATLAB accounting, MATLAB finance, MATLAB Excel, MATLAB Word, MATLAB PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam. You can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. You can click on my WhatsApp link. My WhatsApp link is given in the description and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. And you can scan my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. We will go to MATLAB Pearson and go to the Excel session 5, Excel chapter 5. Click on Excel chapter 5 simulation exam. Okay, we will click on start button. Okay, click on launch button. Okay, sort the data, filter by category and then by course title, both in alphabetical order. We will go to the home tab. Okay. Oh, sorry. Go to the data tab, the sort and filter group. Click on sort button. Okay. We will add first is that category and then click on add label. And then second label is that course title. Course title both are alphabetical order. Click on OK button. The second question is that use the subtotal feature to sum the number of total resident sales, total non-resident sale, and total sales by category. Okay, use the subtotal feature. Okay, use the subtotal feature. Sum the number of total resident sales. We will go to the data tab. In the analysis group, click on outline button and then click on subtotal button. Okay. Sum the number of total resident sale, then total non-resident sale, and total sales by category. Okay, click on this checkbox, total resident sales, total non-resident sale, click on OK button. The next question is that leave the existing subtotal value and add a second level subtotal at each change in instructor. We will go to outline and then click on subtotal. Okay, leave the existing subtotal value and add a second level total sales and click on instructor, click on OK button. Question is completed now. The next question is that collapse the table to show the grand totals only. We will collapse the table to show grand total only. Expand the table to show the grand and category totals. Okay, expand the table to show entire table. Question is completed now. The next question of this exam is question number 4. Use the auto outline feature to group the column. We will go to the data tab and then in analysis group click on outline button and then we will click on auto outline. Okay, click on group and then click on OK button. Collapse the total sales. We will collapse the total sales. Question is completed now. The next question is that question number 5. Create a pivot table using the sum of residents enrolled by category recommended pivot table. Basically, in this question, we will have to create a pivot table using the sum of residents enrolled by category recommended pivot table. Go to the result tab. In the tables group, we will click on pivot table button. Sorry, recommended pivot table. Okay, sum of residents enrolled by category. Okay, click on OK button. Rename the new sheet as pivot table. We will right click on sheet 1 and then we will assign our sheet 1 to pivot table. Right click on this, click on rename button. We will type pivot table. Okay, press enter. Assign the name enrollment to the pivot table. We will click on pivot table and then go to the pivot table analyze button, pivot table analyze tab. In the pivot tables, okay, we will assign the name enrollment, this pivot table name. Okay, question is completed now. Now I'm going to do question number 6. Question number 6 is that I have done 5 questions right now. I am going to do question number 6 of this exam. Please focus on my laptop screen. Add the instructor field to the column area. We will add the instructor field to the column area. We will go to the pivot table fields pane and then we will add the instructor field to the column area. Okay. Now add the total sale field to the value area of the pivot table. Now we will move the total sales field to the value area. Total sale field to the value area. Okay. Add the course title field to the rows area below the category field. Add the course title field to the rows area. Course title field to the rows area. Okay. Collapse the advanced seminars in the pivot table so that only the totals display for the advanced category. Collapse. Okay, question is completed now. I have done 6 questions right now. I am going to do question number 7 of this exam. Question number 7 is that remove the course title field from the pivot table. Basically in this question we will remove the course title field from the pivot table. We will select this, right click on this, click on remove field button. Okay, this field will be removed from the pivot table. Move the instructor field to the rows area below the category field. Okay, move the instructor field to the rows area. We will move instructor field to the rows area. Question is completed now. Now I am going to do question number 8 of this exam. Question number 8 is that use the value field setting dialog box to type the custom name sales by category for the value. Value apply accounting number format. Okay, one second. I am apply accounting number format. Use the value field setting dialog box to type the custom name sales by category. Okay, right click on this sum of total. Right click on this arrow and then we will type the custom name sales by category for the value. Okay, we will click on sum of total sales and then go to the pivot table analyze in the active field group. Click on feeds setting button. We will enter custom name is here sales by category. Apply the accounting number format with 0 decimal places. Accounting apply select accounting number format and decrease decimal 0 decimal places. We will set 0 decimal places. You can see here first I have use the value field setting dialog box, then I have type custom name. The custom name is sales by category. Then I have applied the accounting number format with 0 decimal places. Type categories in cell A3. Click on cell A3 and then we will type categories in cell A3. Simply we will click on cell A3 and then we will type category in the formula bar. Categories. Okay, question is completed now. I have done 8 questions right now. Now I am going to do question number 9 of this simulation exam. Question number 9 is that in cell J1 in the seminar sales sheet enter the get pivot data function to cell B14 in the pivot table sheet. We will click on cell J1 in the seminar worksheet. Okay. In the seminar worksheet press is equal to, we will go to the pivot table sheet and then click on cell B14. Then we will press enter. Okay, B14, press enter. Now in cell J2 in the seminar sheet, enter get pivot data function to the cell B11 in the pivot table sheet. We will click on cell B11 and then press enter. Type 300 in cell D26. We will click on cell D26 and then we will type 300 in cell D26. Refresh the pivot table. Go to the data tab. Pivot table analyze. Tab in the data group. Click on refresh button. Refresh all. Question is completed now. Now I'm going to submit my exam. I just show you 9 question of this exam, but I have done this complete exam for my student and I have got A plus grade in this exam. For remaining question and if you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description or shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. And you can scan my WhatsApp in the first slide of this video and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. And I will do your art simulation training, all assignments, project, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my art student. Thank you so much.